Basic English versus Advanced English. The boy is good. The boy is well behaved. The boy is admirable. The boy is bad. The boy is ill mannered. The boy is wicked. The girl is cute. The girl is adorable. The girl is charming. The girl is beautiful. The girl is gorgeous. The girl is stunning. The man is strong. The man is muscular. The man is powerful. The man is weak. The man is frail. The man is feeble. The food is tasty. The food is delicious. The food is scrumptious. The food is not tasty. The food is bland. The food is tasteless. The tea is hot. The tea is steaming. The tea is boiling. The water is cold. The water is icy. The water is chilled. The room is big. The room is spacious. The room is enormous. The room is small. The room is tiny. The room is compact. The bag is heavy. The bag is weighty. The bag is bulky. The bag is light. The bag is featherweight. The road is straight. The road is direct. The road is linear. The road is not straight. The road is curved. The road is winding. The movie is interesting. The movie is fascinating. The movie is captivating. The movie is boring. The movie is dull. The movie is monotonous. The story is good. The story is excellent. The story is engaging. The story is bad. The story is terrible. The story is poorly written. The book is long. The book is lengthy. The book is extensive. The book is short. The book is brief. The book is concise. The chair is hard. The chair is firm. The chair is rigid. The chair is soft. The chair is cushioned. The chair is comfortable. The music is loud. The music is deafening. The music is booming. The music is low. The music is faint. The music is soft. The picture is clear. The picture is vivid. The picture is sharp. The picture is not clear. The picture is blurry. The picture is unclear. The dress is beautiful. The dress is elegant. The dress is stunning. The dress is simple. The dress is plain. The dress is modest. The shop is open. The shop is operating. The shop is functional. The shop is closed. The shop is shut. The shop is not operating. The teacher is good. The teacher is excellent. The teacher is outstanding. The teacher is strict. The teacher is stern. The teacher is rigorous. The student is clever. The student is intelligent. The student is bright. The student is lazy. The student is idle. The student is inattentive. The baby is crying. The baby is wailing. The baby is sobbing. The baby is sleeping. The baby is napping. The baby is dozing. The baby is laughing. The baby is giggling. The baby is chuckling. The car is fast. The car is speedy. The car is rapid. The car is slow. The car is sluggish. The bus is full. The bus is crowded. The bus is packed. The bus is empty. The bus is vacant. The bus is unoccupied. The train is late. The train is delayed. The train is on time. The train is punctual. The flight is cheap. The flight is economical. The flight is budget friendly. The flight is costly. The flight is expensive. The flight is overpriced. The hotel is good. The hotel is luxurious. The hotel is splendid. The hotel is bad. The hotel is terrible. The hotel is unpleasant. The weather is good. The weather is pleasant. The weather is delightful. Like this video, comment, subscribe to the MS English for more powerful English lessons. We have two Facebook pages. One is the MS English, another is English Skill Improvement. The MS English, it has 13k followers. English Skill Improvement, it has 266k followers. Please visit these Facebook pages, follow and learn more powerful lessons. We have a YouTube channel. The name of the channel is the MS English. It has 166k subscribers. Please subscribe to this channel and continue your learning. We have an ebook store. The name of the ebook store is Bookish. Search on Google payhip.com/bookish. There are two books available in the ebook store. One is 21 days English vocabulary course. Another is 10 best ways to earn money online. Thanks for watching this video.